Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 7th of October, 2019.
Hi, everybody.
Gosh, good sweet tea. Got warm.
Excellent sweet tea. Yes, it did.
Again, had the air conditioner back on, y'all. All right, enough about that. Let's move on. Alrighty, this week in the shop and projects completed.
Busy.
We say that every week, and every week we're busier than the week before.
Well, we were busy. We got two things going on. We got a wedding we're trying to finish putting on, and we got the show this Saturday.
A lot going on.
Yeah.
There. And we saw 14 pine logs this last weekend. 14 logs off the ground and on the mill, and now stacked and ready to go. Mostly it's posts and stuff, but ready to go to our next show, our lumber show. We're going to continue on the work to build a laundry room. We're getting that all done. Started on that a couple of weeks ago, probably about a week and a half ago in earnest. It was kind of being done kind of as a sideline project to the bathroom we were putting in, because bathrooms here, laundry rooms here, so the plumbing and stuff was all ran at the same time. But we're kind of in honest working on the laundry room now.
Yep, laundry room now.
Matter of fact, when we're done with this video, while it's getting downloaded and everything, we're going to be over there working on that. We started the remodel on the mud room. Now
that looks really good.
Yeah, mill hand Michael and I started on that Saturday afternoon after we milled in the morning, like we usually do. We mill in the morning, do other projects in the afternoon. We put the ceiling in, put the pine ceiling in, and then got the wall started up yesterday. Really, all I got to do is hang the material on the walls now, which will move pretty quickly. So we got that going on. Loretta worked on sign people and a little post people, and
thank you, Kimmy, for your wonderful job on our pumpkins.
Yeah.
They look terrific.
What else do you do for the sign people?
We did Kimmy painted some faces on my Grinches, so we got the Grinches done. Then I painted 4 snowmen and some other stuff. So yeah, we're looking good. I wish we could get
Grinches and snowmen.
Yep, and scarecrows. That was the other one. Yeah.
So been busy.
So it's fall, y'all.
It's fall, y'all. Alrighty, Jay finished his part of the bar. That's right, the wedding bar. The Coke machine front turned to a bar. Come out looking really good. Looks super nice. This is one of Jay's first builds that he pretty much led and did all himself. I kind of was there just to kind of pinch and hold stuff, and that was it. Maybe gave a suggestion or two. I can't think of anything specific I said. I'll throw that in there simply as a disclaimer. But he did that build pretty much all his own. Looks really good.
Looks fabulous.
Yeah, it's going to look great up there.
Lights going.
Got the lights, got the LED lights in, and we temporarily put them on. And there's some pictures on Jay's Facebook page if you want to take a look over there. Really come out nice. Now, Mama's got what? The finish to put on and the wipe-on poly?
The wipe-on poly, because he's already got it all sanded, so I just got to get on my hands and knees and do that.
The tabletop, or the bar top, needs to be sanded one more time.
I think he's going down to 400 grit, and I think it's at 320 right now.
Done this week. Then Loretta continued to work on the show trailer, get it organized.
Yep.
A lot of work to do.
Got a lot of work.
So she continued to work on that. And kind of big news, we bought another truck. We bought a 1999 7.3 F350. Y'all know how I love those 7.3s. Now, Daniel went and looked at this.
Something I can't drive, guys.
Exactly. So, you don't know, he drove it all over town the other day. Now, Daniel went and looked at this thing for me while we were on vacation. He liked it, and I hadn't driven it until this past Friday. That thing runs stronger than death.
It's good.
That thing is really nice. I think got a good price on it from our good buddy Ronnie Pilgrim up there at the Pilgrim Enterprises, his car repair shop up there. But really nice truck. I really like it. I think he did us a good deal on that. So really a nice truck. Look forward to that. We'll get you some pictures of that when I get it. I don't have it here at the house yet.
All you got to do is take pictures of Daniel's. It looks exactly alike.
Except the doors are a little different. But Ronnie had to go see his grandkids, and instead of him getting the truck ready and out, I told him, "Nah, go see those grandkids on
That's
Friday.
much better anyways.
We'll pick the truck up later. We weren't hurting for a truck. It's just going to be kind of an extra to show our show trailer truck." So I told him, "Nah, go see the grandbabies." All right, guys, let's move on. Oh, that good sweet tea. All right. What's coming up for Two Dogs this week? Well, this week coming up, we're going to finish the laundry room.
Yep.
Why? Not because we need to, because we absolutely positively have to.
We need an extra bathroom.
We got to finish the mud room. That's kind of a want to. That's kind of a want to and kind of need to, but not absolutely have to. we got the Halloween crafts, more of this neat stuff coming up to be done this week to get ready for that show that we're going to talk about more here in just a second. We're going to load the trailer for that same show that's coming up.
Oh, that's fun.
And how about the exciting news about the couple extra shows we found?
Oh, yes. Now, that's really exciting. I can't wait to do. Now, I don't know about the one in Mistletoe because it sounds more like a festival, like you just come and do hay rides and things like that. I don't know if it's vendors, but the other one.
Yeah,
Lincoln County.
The shows we're talking about is Mistletoe State Park is having a festival. That's just kind of right around the corner, not too terribly far. So we're going to look into that and see about going to that. And we'll actually, I think, be on vacation that week when that happens, I think. So we may be doing that.
Mistletoe's the second. The other one we're on vacation.
Okay. And then the other show is in Lincoln County, the Lincoln County Pioneer Days. Now, we've been there before. That was
fun.
Years ago.
Very nice people.
Yeah, last year we missed because we were in Atlanta. So look forward to going back there. That was a great show. Fun. A lot of friendly people, a lot of fun people. And then
people dressed up in colonial costumes and stuff like that too. It was a lot of fun.
Got to walk around, got to look at the old, great big old steel that they have.
And what about that sawmill?
Yeah, and the big old sawmill was
saw bigger than the living room.
Incredible. So we look forward to that, and we'll give you more information on that show as it becomes available. Now, let's talk about what we're getting ready for this weekend. Tell them, where are we going this weekend?
Mule Day.
Mule Day.
Our favorite.
Callaway Plantation in Wilkes County, Washington, Georgia, right down the road. Really looking forward. That is kind of be one of our favorite shows.
One of our favorites.
Not our favorite show.
And
I really think it's our favorite.
And if we get there early enough, we'll get our pig pot.
That's it. We're going to get there first thing in the morning, get up there where they used to scald the pigs at in the old days before they butchered them and get the hair and everything off. I'm looking forward to that. We try to sit up there every year. It's an extra big spot.
Yes, extra big spot.
This year we're going to try to take a trailer load of lumber and see if they will let us pull the trailer in there and just drop the trailer off and sell boards off it, $2 a board till we get rid of everything. So we're looking forward to doing that. But it's a big show. Really looking forward to it.
It's a great show.
I think the show starts at 9 and goes to about 4 or so.
4, yeah.
A lot of great vendors, blacksmiths there. If you want to get a
forgers,
hand-forged knife,
or hook, or he did all kinds of things.
They just do some great stuff up there. So we're looking
face
forward
painting
to that.
for the kids and various other things.
So if you can join us for that, we'd love to see you up there, guys. I already think we've got Jane Tangy coming and then Daniel and Kimmy coming up. So looking forward to that. I can't think of anything else about Mule Days other than you had mentioned something about they could see something online.
Oh yeah, if they go to Mule Day, Callaway Plantation, there's actually a video of all the things that are available for the kids and the family to go and see and whatever, and they make a little list, so that might be something to do.
Alrighty, yeah. So you just type in Google Callaway Plantation, Washington, Georgia, Mule Day. Not days, it's Mule Day. And see some of the things they got to do there. Alright guys, let's move on. Alrighty, well that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything?
Nope, continue to keep working this week on decorations and getting them packed in the trailer, and then it's crunch time for the wedding.
Crunch time for the wedding,
and
that's right.
Guests coming in, and beds to be made, and laundry to be done.
Mule Day will end at about 4 o'clock. We'll get home about 6 o'clock and start at 6 o'clock that evening. We're in full wedding
mode, yep.
So we'll be ready to go for that. Alright guys, I really think that is about all for this evening. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Welcome back to the shop. I haven't forgot the date.
Monday, October 7th, 1990. No, wait a minute. 2019.
Oh, God. I don't know about anything I've ever said for a date, man.
1990. Where was I going with that?